Ready to use Teams free? Here are 5 things to help you get started. First, schedule an online meeting to connect with your team. Select Meetings and choose a meeting type. Meet when you want with Meet Now, or select Schedule a Meeting to book a meeting in advance. We'll select Schedule a Meeting. Next, add your meeting details. And select Schedule. And your meeting's scheduled. Now, copy the meeting invite to send to others, or share via Outlook or Google Calendar. And if you need to, you can manage privacy settings for your meeting. Next, create teams and add people to collaborate on projects. To create a team, select Teams, Join or Create a Team, and select Create Team. Once it's created, select Add More People to get your team going. Add channels to organize information based on a topic. First, select Create More Channels and type a channel name and description. Once you're done, the new channel appears in the team. In a channel, type a message to start a conversation. People can then respond directly to you. To chat with someone, select Chat, New Chat. Type a name and choose who you want to chat with. Type a message and select Send.